We are at La Fiesta Mexicana Restaurant. The menu look really good. Let me show you. Like, it's the pictures for me. Look at that. I love a menu we have pictures like this. Like, we can actually see. Right? And the juices they have a lot of natural juices and also alcohol beverages. Them have the tamarind. Me never go nowhere over here and see me never go nowhere over here and see tamarind, so you know, but I could try it. Well, I never tried, I just get it, but I haven't had tamarind drinks in a long time. Wait, me did I try to say it's a too sour, but you know, sour none at all. You know, me did I wait for that sting to happen. Hold on. Tamarind weak, man. Weak. But it's refreshing. It's refreshing. It's all good. Calm down. I know that's right. Some nachos already. Got my show now. So good. Nice. Simonette Wagwan. That's my drink. So it is tamarind drink. When was the last time you had tamarind drink? Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh, I'm so sorry you're here. Oh, everybody early today. Welcome in, guys. Hey, Tom and Jerry, what's up? Me like just show on the menu while I come show now. I am so excited. Look here. Nothing to me like a menu. We have pictures. Like, give me the pictures. What we eating today? I wanna get this. Hey, Katie. Kadeen, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Tom and Jerry. One Sosa, big up. Yeah. Wanna see? The lineup look really good, right? Haven't drank tamarind drink in a while. Oh, well, the tamarind kind of weak, I must say, but it is very refreshing. Thank you for the thumbs up. Very refreshing. Looks delicious. Yeah, I'm excited. Hopefully it tastes good. That's a great question. I love thinking about like Jamaica, the vibes and the people, the energy, you know, memories, childhood memories, stuff like that, like growing up. Yeah, those memories, core memories are really good. Your order already? Not yet. Not yet, but I will be.
Girls, they are working on the nachos. You're going to order?
Yes. I'll have this.
The fajita quesadilla?
Yes.
What kind of meat on that one?
Chicken.
Yeah, quesadilla. We have grilled or shredded chicken.
Grill, please.
Chicken comes with a side of rice, beans, and a salad. Is that for you?
Yes.
All right. They want to you, ma'am.
Sounds
The
good.
carnitas. You
Hi.
want green sauce or
Hey Vicky, what's up? So that's what we're having, guys. The fajita quesadilla.
and you want corn or flour?
Don't come for my accent, okay? I'm just saying.
Alright, come to
Shout
the
out
side.
Williams.
And the salad, fine for you, ma'am. Oh, I'm gonna take the names away.
Today
And
is
I'll
your
take the other one.
birthday.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday, Williams. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Welcome in, everyone.
Nacho supreme. Thank you. I'll put it in the middle, okay? You're welcome.
Jeez. Guys, wanna think? Nachos and cream and everything so far. Looking good. Oh my word. Screenshot. Me have to screenshot this. Woo. I know, right? I know, right? Mama, look at extra plate, man. Happy birthday, guys. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Hopefully that tastes good. But what's on it? It has like beef, steak, cheese, steak, cheese, right? The plate very big. Guac, avocado, pear. It's the wording for me. Hey, I want shadow. Sour cream. Yes. Yes. Now everything I will on this, right? Lettuce. I am so excited. Right? And it has, oh, now lower the pepper. Cheers. Sharing wagwan. Wagwan smoky. Oh my god. Yo. So good. All the flavors, everything. The crunchiness of the nachos and the steak cooked just right. At least this one and the salt. Wow. It's the blend for me. Chantal Wagwan. Yeah. Yeah. So good. Whew. Guys, I have to put back everything when they put back pan before. Everything when they put pan before, I have to put it back again. Alright, so this right next, the guac. You just have to have the perfect balance of everything, because if not, what are you doing? What are you doing? I could eat it on its own, right? It's good by itself. And the lettuce. Guys, you know, so you know, make me full up my belly and me not get me other food yet. So no stay. Pepper. Hola Ben, little cousin. barbecue sauce. Salsa, you have to come down now. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, thank you. Thank you for being here. Me don't want to eat too much of this, because when my food come, me not got enough space. So good. Me love it. Tamarind drink. I haven't had this in years. Rebecca, welcome in. Oh, you should visit soon. I haven't had this in years. May I try not to eat one more? I'm trying my best. Okay, Rebecca, you're doing your thing. Love that. Wine with the baby? With the baby, Rebecca, limit it now. Be careful. What's the main course? Then take up the menu. I'm in a member. I think it's some quesadilla, fajita quesadilla. That's crazy. Chicken quesadilla. You see a room for the food. Okay, so I am trying. Hard for me. It's hard for me. The place is really nice, and they do have a bar. Make sure now. Oh no! I am so sorry, Rebecca. Speedy recovery to her. They do have a bar and everything like that. Over here, see, they have some cool paintings on the wall. I do like that. Very nice. Very nice. It's a chill little vibe. It's a chill little vibe. Motor water already and the food not reach yet. Every minute. Oh no, I am so sorry to hear that, Rebecca. I hope everything goes well and she recovers strong. Thank you, Sandra. Wow. Keep her in my prayers, okay? Stay prayed up. Hi from Namibia. That sounds like a place where mother live. Just because you have the Miami night. That sounds like a place where mother live. Like, why me not live there, sir? I bet their food are good. It's crazy. Definitely, I will, Leonardo. I will pray for everyone. Thank you. What? I'm just saying, guys. Namibia. Yeah. We're waiting on the food. Bless you. Bless everyone. Bless everyone. Happy Sunday. And thank you guys for being here with me. Ooh. So much people like the live already. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. Appreciate. 100 and odd people are watching. You said what? No, come out to the door. I will. Is it me? But every time I see a waitress, or a waiter come round, me think say me think I'm my food. And I know mine, it's a false alarm. I'm here one thing that way there. Me just sit back and relax. One love, big up on yourself. Tenny, big up, thank you. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. What sauce up on moderator duties? Super bird, wagwan. And what gets me, let me tell them what get me. It's when them a come around with the food, them a look directly in your eye. Like, I may I say. And then they just turn it other way. I don't like that. Like, when them a do them training, right, so one more year come watch ya. Jesus. Aye, hell to do. I know me guys. Wow, that's crazy. I mean, oh, it looks like me. It looks like me. Oh my God, is it? Oh. Wow. Guys, if I know me, I got you over here. Rough. They should have like a dual, like a back and front camera, so no could have see when me, no could have experience the pain when me I got through. That's crazy. Big up for the cell, guys. Thank you for being here. I swear they do it to me. My mom said it's because I'm looking at them, they look back. So me have to look, if them a look at me, because I want to make sure so you know the area prepared for when them ready to place the food, you know? Yeah. I'm just saying. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Right, let me know one be all looking at them space when them and them are wait for me. No, I would never do that. I care. Okay? But yeah guys, oh, I will be dropping a video today. I will be doing dropping the room tour video of the Rio and also the property video. Yeah, it's gonna be great. What made me go live? Well, the first live we did was at the Strawberry Festival, and I don't know, for some reason we just started YouTube and we just said we just go live. So we went live and I did want to show everything, but I never want to see a post and a edit and a video and a edit and all of that. So I say if I do the live, we get the live experience, and that way they may not take up so much time for your edit, you know. So we went live and the feedback was really good. You guys loved it, and then I asked when you come live again. We love your lives and stuff. And we said okay, next Sunday. Actually, since you mentioned that was like last year, and we have the Strawberry Festival is coming up this month. So I will be definitely taking you guys here. It's gonna be our 1 year live anniversary. Can you imagine? It's gonna be our 1 year live anniversary, so that's gonna be a big deal for me. Yeah, it's gonna be 1 year since we've been going live over here, and from that day every Sunday we've been going live, and some other days in between. Would you travel to Gambia? What kind of food they have over there? So yeah guys, the lineup for this month is gonna be great. Oh, they have a big reggae festival over there. You should come to Trinidad for Carnival. When is Carnival in Trinidad? No guys, you have to put me onto some things, so I know what is going on. The food me I defend. Speaking of food, me not think say grilled chicken takes so long to prepare. What I think? Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate the thumbs up, everyone. You guys are great. I saw a little food and them thing they do. It's crazy. Uno match my energy. Uno match my food energy. Just in case you guys are wondering, what kind of drink is this? It's tamarind drink. No new friends. Hi. Welcome in. Happy Sunday. Wagwan. Guys, remember to turn on your post notification bell because sometimes we go live anytime, even though Sundays are my live days. So make sure to turn on the bell here. So that way you guys can be notified whenever I go live or when I post. Yeah. Carnival is in March. That next month, that quick though. How where you want to figure out Trinidad? Me is a Trinidad KFC. Alright, we're now going to go down that road there. We're now going to go down that road there, we don't know. Cause Trinidad, yeah. Can we just leave it right there? Yeah, let's do that. Hola Roxanne, welcome in. Hi. Green Orchid say, look up the countries people are suggesting in Google. Google is your friend. Where do you think Jamaica gets some of fish dishes, fruits? Food rich, food rich. Thank you.
I'll be right back, okay?
Mighty God of Daniel. Yo! What? Are you guys see? I am weak. Hold on. Let me show you how I want. Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Anything else for you guys? Enjoy.
Watch out again. Oh my word. Guys, what is going on? What is happening here? Screenshot. Right, that's so. Yep. Ooh. Are we ready?
All right, girls, it's all over here. You're ready for the next one? Yeah.
Let's do this. Let's do it. Guys, it's all about the taste test to me, you know. You don't know that already, don't. I wonder if this is gonna have a cheese pull. I'm glad to see a whole heap of uno over here so you can serve. Screenshot.
Is that okay?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Oh, wow. All right, we're ready for this? We're ready for this? This is a good sign. Once you see the cheese strings, you know it's already a good sign. Let's go. Do you see this steam? Like, you see this steam? I am dead. I'm dead. Weird. Hold on, wait a minute. Guys. That was unexpected. Take two. Wow, wow. Soft, nice, so cheesy. And the chicken, them season the chicken. Them season the chicken, guys. Mm-hmm. Wow. Them season the chicken. I love it. I love it. Malik, yo. Tiffany, hi guys. I can't believe all my people are here. Wow, they did that. So far the chicken fajitas, chicken quesadilla, it's leading. All right, make we try the rice. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. All right, hear me out. Me no know if growing up, right? When you have the rice, you cook the rice and you put mackerel in it and make it finish steamed down with the mackerel. At this well seasoned, at this like what? Take me back right now. God. So good. All right, this me no know awa. Awa? Oh yeah, eat it with the rice. Yeah, eat it with the rice. Oh, it come like a peas, and they make it in a stew. Like them cook out the peas in a stew. It would remind me of pig stew. But when you eat out the whole of the pig from a day before, and you have the leftovers, and no pig no left in there, just the gravy and the peas and so yeah, that you have all of the flavors without the meat. That one you so. That one you so. Yo, me know I eat a food review yet to see me come in. Yes, I am so excited. Hello. Wow. And they have a right amount of saltness because when I eat it with the rice, it gives the rice that flavor. I'm pleased. Yeah, they did good today. This was a great spot. It takes you back to when your hair was short, when you just started, right? As a matter of fact, guys, it's gonna be a year soon since we start live streaming. At the Strawberry Festival was the first time, and they have that coming up. They have that coming up in February, and I'm gonna take you guys there. And that will be our 1 year live anniversary. Make sure everybody today, because it's gonna be so happy. So this is, oh no, this is actually tamarind juice. Tamarind juice, so good. It's from yesterday. They call it calentados. Tambrino, yeah, tambrino. When is the next hair care routine? I don't know my hair care routine already. Me no care. Me just leave it. Me need to do better. I remember no new friends. Thank you. My dear one, you know. I'm glad you guys are enjoying everything. Lately, I've been watering my hair more, which is good. You do? I do have all my old hair care tutorials on my channel, so you can definitely check that out, guys.
So let me, if you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Thank you. Samantha. Wagwan. Cheers. Thank you. I want thing them gonna give you a little leaf, lettuce leaf with little chop up tomato on the top. That me know. I did have to wait till this cool off a little bit, boy. I get a piece of bun. From like when you know cornmeal porridge bun or hot patty. Painful. Miss it, no new friends. Me don't know what me could do so. We are right. This is like the real Jamaican cuisine. Anywhere over the world we go, we always find meals similar to Jamaican. Facts, fan. Okay, Ben. Right? All you wanna do is eat. But a lot of people have been telling me that, yo, you need to visit Trinidad. So I'm like, what is there to do in Trinidad? I only know about Carnival. That's all. What else? And the other places, like, tell me where I should visit and what them like best food. What the best food? Like me need to try. Brazil? What they have in Brazil? Trinidad, they have roti. They have good roti there. I love curry. I love curry. Do a live video. Is it falling on a Sunday? I don't know. If it fall on a Sunday, I will be on, definitely. Let me see. No. It is so refreshing, fan. The best roti at Trinidad, me hear them say the best roti did at India. Uno make up on your mind, no? Make up on your mind. Latino food in Peru. Ooh, I tried Peruvian food. It was me love to me. Alright, guys, hear me out. You see, Peru white rice are probably the best rice I ever have in my life. White rice from Peruvian style, 10. 10, I'm just saying. Big up from Brazil. Thank you. Thank you. No, I won't be here, guys. I won't be here. Jerk chicken. Ooh. Jerk chicken from where? Thank you for the thumbs up. Everybody who thumbs up the live, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Like we don't go for the like record. Indian and Trini are the same thing, so okay, so okay. You come to me now, I'm learning. When you go to Trinidad, bring me so I can try the KFC. Yo, make me I try go down the road there now. He's gonna so unbelievable, but Haitian make the best white rice. What? Haitian make the best white rice? You know them have some Asian spot over here now. But me not try Haitian food yet. I need to. Peru has a rice called chofa. Would you rather? We had the Rum Earth series. We had a chef from Peru. She came and she cooked a traditional Peruvian dish. Don't ask me for pronounce it. Don't ask me to pronounce it. But it is there. It was like so good. I loved it. When are you going to St. Croix? St. Croix, that's St. Vincent? That's Virgin Islands, yes. All right, thank you, L. Tracy, what's up? Why is this stream? What is that stream? I'm in Alaska too. Made it everywhere. Peru so nice. Me. Oh, what was in it? Okay, so look, I'm gonna tell you what was in it. And we're taking a break because we've been traveling a lot, so we'll get back on it soon. All right, so it was rice. They do the rice with the whole garlic thing, and it was beef, like minced beef, with potato, with tomato sauce and all of that. And they had like a sunny side up egg on top of the rice. What is that called? I think it's Azora. Nah, I'm going to stomach today. You hear me? Nah, I'm going to stomach today. Sound like, I think that end part is it salsa. You know, many people go back to school, you know. You know, many people go back to school for sure. Jack limit, okay? What is the name of what I'm eating? I'm eating fajita quesadilla platter. I don't know. It's a lot going on. Chicken quesadilla. What's it? Let me show them. Jesus. Guys, that's what it is. Hold on. Click on it. Let me go to the this. That's what it is. Do you know? What's going on with the food truck? I don't know. See there? With the egg. There it is. Better know. Yeah, this video is on my channel, guys. With the food truck, I'm not sure as yet. We need to get the food truck, but as you can see, guys, we've been really busy. So as soon as we get settled and everything, we're going to like put all those plans into motion, you know. So just stay tuned. As soon as we get some more updates, I'll definitely update you guys on everything. But yeah, kind of get settled back in right now, you know. It looks like lomo saltal. Thank you, Elle. What else said, okay? But I'm glad everybody is having a good time. Happy Sunday. We're not going to do that subscript challenge again, okay? Jamaica. Hello. Not right now, Ivy. I am loving this rice. I ain't gonna lie. This rice, yo, then angle this. Thank you. Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Mama Do. Sell me some shares and equity in the food truck business. I don't even have the food truck. When we get the food truck, we'll talk. Okay? What am I eating? A chicken quesadilla. You know, always a come to me, guys.
How's everything okay over here?
Yeah, very good. Thank you.
Boxes over here? You're still working on it? We got it done. Boxes? Thank you.
So I don't say nothing. No new friends, don't say nothing. Yo! I am weak. I am weak. Me here in the front of my look. I am from Jamaica and I wanted to give my profile space. Okay. Wow. That was so funny. But guys, I will be dropping a new video tonight, so hopefully I will see you guys there. So I may always see you. Every video me post. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Every video me post every day. Whether shorts, long video, or the food post them. So I appreciate you. Thank you. You're a subscriber? Thank you, Abby. I rise up me now choke all right now. Yes, I am. It is so good. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Big up from India. Big up from India. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Wow. Hold on, it comment and move fast. It comment and move fast, yo. Roxanne say, hi Tami, I'm a Jamaican content creator and I cook food on my channel. That is great, Roxanne. Love that. I am a big foodie, so definitely I would love to check out your channel and see what you do. What size lunch it is? It's the biggest of all. Oh my God. You make food videos? I make videos eating food, so yeah. Wow, that's crazy. Girl, I just ate, but you're making me hungry. Big up yourself, Ivy. Thank you, Jacqueline. It's up for system and we're always hungry. Yeah, it's a big bag too for me. Thank you guys. Appreciate it so much. I love lettuce, you know. I love lettuce. I'm gonna eat cucumber by itself. Eat your vegetables. Listen, no new friends. Yeah, they're easy, you know. Yeah, I'm like, it's not so soft because the Facebook has been blowing up. I'm like, nobody really uses Facebook anymore. Well, at least I think so. But yeah. Thank you, Sos. I appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. But guys, I gotta run. But this was so much fun. Well, everybody just are coming. What? You smell the food from here? One more for the road? Yes. Wow. Blown away. They did such a great job. I enjoyed this and I'll definitely be back. Now I have things to do. So the rest of this, I bring it home and eat for my dinner. You know, but it's so good, guys. Thank you. Oh. Thanks to everyone who joined the live. Take us with you. Oh no. I appreciate you guys. Big up on yourself. Thank you for watching as always. If you do enjoy my lives, I do have all my live replays on my channel, so you can check that out. Okay, you can check them out just in case you miss anyone. I have live replays from Jamaica, the Silverbird Steel Band show, the breakfast buffet, eating Jamaican food, the tour of the property, the jerk chicken hut. So much. The beach games, everything. Check them out and remember to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. I will be posting a video tonight, dropping a video tonight, so hopefully I see you guys there. Thank you guys. Big up on yourself. Take care. Thank you for hanging out. This was so much fun. Bye.